Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you're having a great holiday weekend. I'm back to share a couple of things that I picked up online and a few other places, and then a little project share at the end if you stick around. So I finally got the rest of the Merry Days things that I picked up on Amazon, which was this 37-piece tag kit set, and it's super cute. It comes with twine and some assorted tags. So these are the tags that it comes with. And I thought 37 pieces, that's pretty good. So I was happy to get this in. And then these thickers I also purchased on Amazon. I couldn't find them anywhere else. They're the Joyous Puffy Phrase and Accent Stickers, 76 pieces by Thickers, and they're so cute. I can't wait to use these on my December daily. And you get quite a few. Here's the back. So I was really happy that I picked these up, and I can't wait to use these. Really cute. And then I ordered from Peachy Cheap. I usually miss out because they sell out so quick, but I was tipped off by Lori. Hey Lori. And she's super sweet, a good friend, so she messaged me and let me know that they had this on there. So thank you for letting me know. So I hadn't picked up any of this collection. I was kind of waiting and, debating if I needed it, but I did. So I picked it up. And then these cute little puffy stickers came with it as well. And the 6x8 paper pad, which I'm sure you've seen flip-throughs of this paper. I cut a little tiny section out of it for a little die that I will show you in a bit. So really cute paper. Just loving anything Maggie Holmes, anything crepe paper. So pretty. And it came with this cute stamp set, and it looks like it's embroidered or stitched. So this is really cute. So that's what I picked up. Peachy Cheap and Amazon. And then I was at Target and I found some really pretty glitter. And I usually don't pick these up because I think they're, I don't know, $4 or something like that. And it adds up. So, but this one, I thought it was so pretty. So I picked it up, and I picked up some stickers there as well. These cute little eyes. I think I've seen somebody use them on something. And these bows I thought were super cute. And then these are really cute. I love these little girls. So I had to pick those up. That's from Target. And then I was at Big Lots, and I saw some of their ribbon, Winter Wonderlane, and I picked up this gold trim, this pink and gold ribbon as well with the reindeers. Super cute. And then this one here, it's a wider ribbon, and it's just white with like some texture on it, and it reminded me of the glitter on the Santa Baby paper collection. So I picked this one up for $3, and I just thought they were so pretty. So I picked those up, and then I was happy to find this puffy paint, this huge bottle. I think Crafty Kimchi might have shared this as well, but I had never seen it at Walmart, so I picked it up. It's the puffy 3D paint that I like to use and then hit it with the heat gun, and it looks like snow. Puffs up really cute. So super cute. I love the size of this. This is what I've been using, and it's already almost gone, so it's a whole lot bigger. So really happy to find that. And then I picked up a few things on Ally. I picked up these really cute like velvety leaves, blue and gold, really pretty. Some of the Halloween dies that I had ordered came in kind of late, but I really didn't do much crafting this year for Halloween anyway. So this border here, or this little circle die with the stars, I think I can use this for Christmas. So, and then these I've been wanting. They hold like gift cards. They cut little notches, like the perfect size for gift cards. So I can't wait to use that. And then this, I got this a while ago, but I haven't shared. But it's a really cute set. It's huge, and I love it. It looks like a ribbon or lace edge, and it's super cute. I did cut that one out. I cut the little one out. I was playing around with it. I thought it would be cute like on a rosette or something as a layer. And here it is in black. So it's super cute, and I love how it leaves the little cut marks, and it looks like lace. Really cute on that one. And then I picked this one up, and I did use it on one of my projects today. So I will say, I think this one, it cuts well, but I had to do it several times. So I think it's best if you have a shim, one of those metal shims. And then I also picked these up. I think Erica shared these as well. And they're a set of 3, really cute, like a little bunny, a bear, and a cat. And I did a little bit of paper piecing. So here's the little bear, and I like that they're a really good size. They're not tiny. So this is the bear, and I don't even know if I paper pieced him the right way, but, and then this little cat. So cute, right? So I thought they would go well with like the Maggie Holmes collections and crepe paper. So I picked that up. And then this die here, it says from our home to yours. And I thought it was cute. And I already made a tag with it, from our house to yours. So I just used a couple of the little ephemera pieces from the Merry Days and some of the little puffy stickers and made a quick little tag. So how cute is that? I like that one. I like the font on it and everything. So there's that. And then I picked up these little clear stamps. I thought this reindeer was just so cute. So that's mostly why I picked them up. And then we've got like this little hipster Santa, which is a cutie. So I picked that up. And then I picked this Sizzix die up to make a different style of rosettes. And I picked this up on Amazon as well. So this one came really quick. So those are the things I picked up online. And then I wanted to share... excuse me, I wanted to share a little project that I created using a card set that I picked up at Tuesday morning. The Merry Days cards and envelopes. You get 20 cards and envelopes, and it was $4.99. And I'll share some of the cards that come with it. And some of them have a little cutout. They pop out, and they're meant to be, I guess, used as a tag by the recipient, like, so you can recycle the card. So this one's really cute. This one also has a cutout here, shaped like an ornament. So that's the same as this one. This one also has an ornament shaped cutout. It's hard to see on the starter paper, but it just pops out. And this one does as well, this pink one. And this one does not. It says Merry Christmas. This one does. It pops out. And this one pops out as well. But these ornament ones, I did 3 in the ornament shape, and I thought they were all the same size, but this blue one actually is a little bit smaller. So it did make a difference. So, yeah, on my project anyway. So here's this one, no cutout, and this one, no cutout, and then this one also is just plain. So really cute cards. I was happy to find those. Okay, so I'll go ahead and share what I used on these projects, and I created a couple of shaker cards. I thought they turned out so cute. This is one of my favorites. So this is the die cut that I picked up on AliExpress, and then I just added the little shaker pocket that's see-through, a bow, and then I added some stickles along the edge of the cutout. And then just some enamel dots there. So I thought this turned out super cute. And here's the back. And see, well, on the back to cover it, I added a piece of paper that I embossed with the snowflake embossing folder. And this is where it was, you know, smaller than the other one. So there's a little gap that you can see. But I don't think it's too bad. So, yeah. On that one. And then I made this one as well, and same thing, I added stickles along the edge here, a little cut apart or ephemera piece from the collection. This is from another chipboard pack that I picked up at Tuesday morning and added a little gold bow. And this one I did want to add something across the front to cover it a little because I wasn't that happy with this red glitter. It just kind of sticks to the top of the plastic, so you can't really see. It doesn't shake that well. So, but I didn't want to just toss it, so this is what I ended up doing with this one. And again, just covered that inside part with another piece of paper and embossed the back there. And then I left one to kind of share a step-by-step on these, so I'll do that in a minute. The tags that pop out, I just kind of decorated them a little bit more, added a bow, some twine. This one I added some snowflakes that I cut out using a Martha Stewart punch. This one I left really, really simple, and I just added some of this eyelash trim to hang it, a little tassel, and this one I added a bow and some of that eyelash trim. So really, really cute. And then some of the things that I used on this project were these nesting dies. This one, I think it's the third one down, fit perfectly for the cutout on the back of that paper, and so that's what I used for that. And then I used these two Cuttlebug embossing folders as well. And so I wanted to share how I did it really quick. In case you're wondering, it was really easy and quick. So I just popped out the middle area here, and I added stickles to the edge here. This is just some red line tape that I added, and this is the little shaker pocket I created using a fuse tool. So it's not perfect, but I did use one of these tags as a template and just kind of use the fuse tool around that. So I made this, and then just basically take off the red line tape. Okay, so I'm back. I took off all the red line tape, and oh my gosh, that stuff is so staticky. It was sticking to everything. So yes. Then I just basically add this, kind of center it as best you can. And stick it onto the red line tape. And then here is the back panel that I cut out and embossed. And then just take off the double-sided tape backing. I'm not going to do all of it, but you get the idea. And then I just kind of positioned it to cover that area and just stick it down. So there's that. And then here's the front, and then just add a little bow or some ephemera pieces, and I'll be finishing this one up later, but it was that easy, and I think they're really cute because they are see-through and the inside's a little bit finished. So that's how I put those together. And then I also made a couple little paper clips, which I shared a picture a little bit ago on Instagram using the Merry Days little buttons. And these little snowflakes I picked up at Dollar Tree, I think. So I made that one, and this one here, and this one here. And then I added some little pearl dots on all of the edges here, mostly to cover up a little hole, because these were meant to be like tags or ornaments, so they had a little hole in them. So I just added the pearl dots to cover that up. So I thought these were really cute, and they would be cute on planners or some Happy Mail. So that's it, guys. Thanks for staying till the end of this video. I hope it wasn't too long, and I hope you enjoyed taking a look at some of these things that I picked up online and little projects. Okay? Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye.